Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid tribute to the people who were killed in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1990. He has defined the incident as one that showcases unparalleled courage and sacrifice of all of the victims. Apart from PM Modi, President Draupadi Murmu has also remembered the victims of the massacre and has stated that my heartfelt tribute to all the freedom fighters who have sacrificed everything. In fact, PM Modi has also released a video regarding his message to the country as well as all those brave hearts who laid down their lives. Let's take a look.
13 अप्रैल 1919 के वो 10 मिनट हमारी आजादी की लड़ाई की वो सत्य गाथा, चीर गाथा बन गई। अमानवीयता की सारी हदें पार कर दी। वो मासूम बालक बालिकाएं, वो बहनें, वो भाई, जिनके सपने आज भी जलियांवाला बाग की दीवारों में अंकित गोलियों के निशाने में दिखते। जलियांवाला बाग वो स्थान है जिसने सरदार उधम सिंह, सरदार भगत सिंह जैसे अनगिनत क्रांतिवीरों को हिंदुस्तान की आजादी के लिए मर मिटने का हौसला दिया। ये मेरा सौभाग्य रहा है कि मुझे कई बार जलियांवाला बाग की इस पवित्र धरती पर आने का, यहाँ की पवित्र मिट्टी को माथे पर लगाने का सौभाग्य मिला। जलियांवाला बाग की पवित्र मिट्टी को मेरा अनेक अनेक प्रणाम।
All right, there of course, viewers, you've seen the video released by Prime Minister Modi as well as his message. Akshit, my colleague, joins us on the broadcast. Akshit, take our viewers through what exactly the President and the Prime Minister have said on this solemn occasion.
Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid tribute to the people killed in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919, and he has also shared a video defining the incident and showcasing the unparalleled courage and sacrifice of the victims. Where in a post on X also, Prime Minister said that he pays a heartfelt tribute to all the brave martyrs of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and President Draupadi Murmu has also remembered the victims of massacre and said that she also pays a heartfelt tribute to all the freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the motherland in Jallianwala massacre. Hundreds of people protesting peacefully against the Rowlatt Act, which granted the colonial administration repressive powers, were gunned down by British forces without any provocation in what became, one of the most brutal turns and the deadly in their occupation of India. Meanwhile, if I just tell you that Union Home Minister Amit Shah also paid tribute to the victims, and of course, he has also put it out on X that Jallianwala Bagh massacre is a living symbol of the cruelty and inhumanity of the British rule.
All right, Akshit, has anyone else also commented on this?
Well, yes, when we talk about it, then Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has also recalled the sacrifices made by the people at the Jallianwala Bagh, and he has also put it out on X saying that he remembers the martyrs of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which took place in Amritsar, and he also, saluted the supreme courage and their sacrifice, and he also said that this sacrifice will always be remembered in India's history.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.